Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with 3 quick and easy, amazing Christmas DIY projects made with my Cricut Explore 3. To start my project off, I'm going to go into the Cricut Design Space, which is a free software for Cricut. Real simple and easy to learn, and more importantly, it has hundreds of designs and inspirations to help in creating a perfect project. For my first design, I've chosen this cluster of Christmas trees with the Smith family, but I'm going to change that up and make it just a little more personal. The theme for Christmas this year is to use our family name in everything, so I'm changing this from the Smith family to a Colthurst Christmas. That's right, my family name is Colthurst. I'm also going to go ahead and take it a step further, so I've added a few more words at the top, which is have yourself a merry. And I'm going to move that in position, make sure that I have the right size, and off we go. With the click of a button and more guided information, I select how I want to load my material into the Cricut machine for cutting. It takes me over to this measuring mat. I move it into place, select my material of choice, and we are off to the races. And just like that, my design is ready. So what I'm doing here is I am just weeding it, which is pulling back the excess material to get to my design. And here it is, guys. Isn't it cute? So what I did was I separated it from the words, and I am putting it against a pillow cover. I'm using the iron-on method so I can transfer this beautiful design with the words onto my pillow cover. And all I have to do at this point, guys, is to use my Cricut iron and iron that design right onto the pillow cover. And here it is, all done. And now I'm just peeling it back so that everything is transferred and adhered to the pillow cover. And here you have it, guys. My first project is complete. It is absolutely beautiful and goes so well with my Christmas decor. How quick and easy is that? Prints, designs, projects, everything right at your fingertips. Now let's move on to our second project. For this project, I am using the same method with choosing off the design and cutting, but this time I'm using transfer tape because I'm not going to iron this one on. I'm simply going to use the transfer tape to transfer my design onto my object. So here I've added the transfer tape, smoothing it out. Then I'm just going to gently pull it back, making sure that my design is attached to the transfer tape. I'm now going to add it to my drinking glass, but before doing so, guys, I'm just going to use some rubbing alcohol and just clean that glass off to get rid of any dust or debris that might be on it. Make sure you're starting with a clean surface. After cleaning, I attach the transfer tape with the design, and I'm simply just going to peel it back gently. And there you have it, guys. Absolutely beautiful. I felt so excited about using my Cricut machine with the designs, I went and added names to my glasses. And here is how they turned out. Simply beautiful. And now for my third and final project, I got these beautiful miniature frames from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to make some name tags for our foods to put beside our warmers. So I did the exact same thing I did with the glasses. I went into Design Space and created my lettering, and now I'm just going to transfer it exactly as I did the design before to the drinking glasses. So here I'm just making sure that the words are being adhered to the glass, and then I am just going to pull that bad boy back and take a look at that. Simply amazing. So real simple, guys. I'm just going to put the frame back together, placing the glass face down, And then that little extra piece that comes as display in the front, I'm going to use the white part of it so my letters show up boldly in the frame. I'm just going to put that back in, put the back on, and our third project is done. Like I said, guys, these projects are easy, quick, and simple with using Cricut and very cost effective. You will not be disappointed for making an investment into a Cricut machine. So here's the lot of them, guys. I made 6 of them, and by looking at them, you can tell that my Christmas dinner is going to be off the chain, okay? So I wanted to give you a little bit more visual. So I added some warmers for you to see how I will be displaying my items. And they are just simply amazing, very elegant, very sophisticated, just absolutely beautiful. And I could not have done it this well without my Cricut machine. There are so many things you can make on your Cricut, guys. Invitations, holiday decor, as you can see. The bundles are cost effective, guys. And trust me, the materials are high quality and you will not regret it. I will leave you some information in my description box below with everything concerning Cricut for you to go ahead and pick you a Cricut machine up so you can start making your designs and projects today. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me. I truly do appreciate you spending time. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I do appreciate you clicking on this video and would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And make sure you hit that notification bell also. That way you are the first to know when I upload videos. And to my lovely Penny Pinchers, you already know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi saying bye-bye.